Welcome to Edney Studios. I'm Edney, and this is me explaining how I created this squirrel manipulation in this speed art form. Let's get started. So we first create a new document, then using those settings, then we create it. We move in this photo and I'm removing this camera something out of the background. I need this background. You can also use other backgrounds for this image. You can use a forest or any nice background you want to use. So after using content aware to remove the camera out of the background, using this patch tool to also try to fade it in and make it better. So after that, we are going to resize it, fitting it into how we want it to be. So changing the size to how we want it to be. Then I'm moving this squirrel I used. So moving the squirrel and positioning in a way that I want it to be. Make it a little bigger and kind of you get that perfect spot you want it to be in. So after getting the perfect spot, we darken the distance there background because we want to get some kind of mood and some kind of distance. So we darken it, then we blur it out. We blur it like a full blur, like the intense blur, even the one more than that of a camera. We blur it. So we blur it so we get this intense blur, very much focusing on only the squirrels specifically, or the animal of choice. After blurring we go to the squirrel. We also match it with the background. So as the background is dark, we darken the squirrel. We adjust the colors and stuffs. So I used selective color adjustment layer to adjust the colors. Bring some shadows and we're making it more realistic here. So I create a shadow beneath the squirrel layer and on top. So that's what I call the context shadow, and that's what's called the context shadow. So that's what makes it more realistic. That's what I can say. That's what makes it more realistic. It makes it get in contact with the background or the surface that it must be on. So after this, I'm creating a light source on top of the animal. So that's the light source we're creating. So that's how I created it. So just like that, then you create this light source. So then I brought this bulb or something to bring in. So this bulb, that's what I brought. So this the light source on the squirrel or something. This is the light source that I'm going for. So we send it to a point that send to the suggested or required size, fix it in place, and So after this, I'm adding some glow to the light because it's also a light source, so it must also glow. So this is how I add the glow. So yeah, it's kind of glowing. So this white highlight I'm creating on the squirrel. So yeah, so there's the light reflecting from the top of the top light hitting the squirrel. Yeah, so this the highlight is creating on it, and yeah. So then I'm going to create also the highlight, the yellow highlight on the rat, yeah, on the squirrel rather, sorry, on the squirrel. So you create the yellow highlight, and yeah, everything is coming together here. Please don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe. Thank you. So this, when I create the reflection of the light on the ground, yes, so kind of it will reflect on. So this is how light works. Light, when light is shown, it reflects on it goes in so many ways. So reflecting on the ground, reflecting on the subject, and even any other subject that will be available for reflection to reflect on it. So this reflecting on the background, and yeah. So after this, I am just trying to color grade the whole thing to get it into the mood that I want it to be. I want it to be this yellow, kind of this mood. So I'm getting it into this mood. So after that, then I'm going to add this camera raw adjustment layer to just boost everything. So this when I'm trying to darken this part of the squirrel because it's facing like away from the light, so naturally, or yeah, well, sky must be dark, so I'm just trying to darken it a little, making everything better and more realistic. So, and I think this is the final thing you get in. So this kind of a simple tutorial, like this kind of a simple manipulation. This is the before and after. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.